Subject GK. Chapter 31. Music. Music is a form of art and culture. Different communities have different forms of music. Music may also be defined as a cultural activity more than a mere source of entertainment. Music is an integral part of our lives. There are different types of music. Identify the music type with the help of the descriptions given. Number 1. This form of music has its roots in the United States. The element of rhythm is missing in this form of music. It extensively makes use of the electric guitar, bass guitar and drums. Rock music. You have to write rock music. Number 2. This genre of music also developed in the United States. It has a formalized rhythmic style that supports rapping and involves chanting of a rhythmic speech. A drum machine is used in this form of music. Hip hop. You have to write hip hop here. Number 3. This music belongs to the ancient musical world heritage. It forms the basis of several genres of music. According to the Vedas, the Indian culture and most forms of music and art are rooted in Indian mythology and religion. This music has two important genres, Carnatic music and Hindustani music. This form of music makes use of musical instruments such as tabla, veena, mridangam, khanjira, flute, tanpura, violin, sitar, sarangi and gottuvadhyam. Classical music. You have to write classical music here. Number 4. This is a form of Sufi Islamic devotional music which has its origin in South Asia. In general and in India especially, it is quite popular in Hyderabad and Delhi in India and in the Punjab and Sindh regions of Pakistan. The musical instrument used in this form of music is bulbul, tarang, khartal, harmonium, santoor, rabab, Kabuli rabab, sarangi, saringda and tabla. Qawwali. You have to write qawwali here. Number 5. This form of music has originated in the African American communities of New Orleans, the United States. It was further improvised into form of independent, traditional and popular musical styles. This music can be played on any instrument, saxophone, trombone, piano, trumpet, drums, bass guitar, etc. Jazz music. You have to write jazz music here. Now we have to understand chapter 32, Timeless Pieces of Art. Art is a way of expressing emotions and sentiments. It is also an expression of the way an artist may perceive the world. A painting also reflects the personality of the artist. While art is timeless, different time periods saw different styles of art. Over a period of time, there are artists who have become world famous and their works continue to be revered and studied even beyond their lifetime. Their artworks are kept in the art galleries across the world. Identify the artist by the descriptions and pictures of their paintings shown below. Number 1. This painting is called Guernica and it showcases the suffering and miseries of the common man in a war-torn land. Guernica was a city destroyed in war and painting Guernica is a very poignant anti-war painting. It was painted by Pablo Picasso. You have to write Pablo Picasso here. Number 2. Mona Lisa is one of the most famous painting in the world. The painting depicts the face of woman and is famous for the mysterious smile or the optical illusion. It was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. You have to write Leonardo da Vinci here. Number 3. This painting is called Horses. The artist was known as the Picasso of India and was also well known for his photography and poetry. The artist was M.F. Hussain. You have to write M.F. Hussain here. Number 4. This famous painting is called Bride's Toilet. The painter was a well-known Indian artist and she is often referred to as Indian Frida Kahlo. Her father was Indian and mother a Hungarian. The artist was Amrita Shergill. You have to write Amrita Shergill here. Number 5. This picture is a part of the Mahabharat painting by this artist. This artist was honored with a Padma Bhushan way back in 1954 for his works and contribution towards Indian art. His works have served as an inspiration for the traditional art of Bengal. The artist was Jamini Roy. You have to write Jamini Roy here. Number 6. This painting is called the Maharashtrian Lady. This artist was considered to be the best artist talent ever to be born on Indian soil. A postal stamp was issued in his honor in 1971. The artist was Raja Ravi Verma. You have to write Raja Ravi Verma here.